Okay, finally back up here at the cabin for the first time in a while. It's been so hot, we really haven't had a chance to do anything up here. He's been working on this roof that we put up a couple weeks ago. He's been working on the gutters. I don't know if you can see that. He's putting these things in. He's got one downspout here already. So he's gonna do more of that. He just hasn't had a chance. Just trying to work on it after work and stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. Got this roof up and put, these things on it, which will be where more downspouts go. So yeah, that's where we're at so far with the work. I got 2 kittens followed me up here. I don't think they've ever even been up here. There you are. There you are. So we're going to camp tonight. I'm so excited. It's only about 74 degrees right now. It's supposed to get down in the, I think, even almost the 50s tonight. Shocking for August 1st. So I brought stuff up. We're going to have chili. I'm going to make chili on that fire pit. We got some fun stuff too. We got this old popcorn. It's really old. I guess we forgot we had it. We're going to throw all that in the fire later just to see what happens. And we got this, let me show it to you. This stuff. It's called Fun Fire. Add fun colors to your next wood fire. So we're going to play with that later. I came in here and I was shocked. There was one little mouse poop right here. I was so disgusted. The only way they could be getting in here is under this door. He's got a thing for it. Oh, there it is. Still sitting over here to put there, but he hasn't done it yet. Guess he hasn't been too worried about it. I didn't think there'd be any problem with mice getting in here until this winter. So they could be coming in that window there. I don't know how though. So I got mothballs after we leave. I got a bunch of mothballs. So we heard they work really good for keeping mice out. One of our favorite YouTubers, Post 10, he has an old like bread truck or something that he camps in. He turned into like a camper. It's really cool. But he was having a real problem with mice, and he used mothballs, and it really works. So I got some bowls to set them in. So whenever we leave, I'll probably set one by the bottom of the door there, and in that windowsill. So, all right, I'm gonna try to get these kittens back down there. Take this wagon back down. And then I'll come up and get a fire built and get the chili going. So see you in a minute. Well, these silly chickens are all the way down here. I've never seen them all the way down here before. That's a big chicken. I'm afraid to walk over there because I'm afraid the cats will go over and bother them. That's a little teeny tiny one right there. So cute. Alright. Alright, I think I'm going to get a fire going now. I definitely ain't going to be able to do this one-handed, so I'm just going to get a bunch of stuff thrown in here, and I'll get you back on when I got it lit. Chicken down there. Hope a cat didn't get a chicken. I'll know in a little while. camera set up pretty good. Alright, so I put a little oil in my cast iron already. Got a spoon. Seasonings, which is cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and I think that's it. I got some home canned fire roast tomatoes. Got the best chili in the world, Brooks Mild. Got a can of roasted garlic and onion tomatoes. We like a lot of tomatoes. Chili ready tomatoes. Salt and pepper. This is some already cooked burger. Canned tomato sauce, which I don't know if I'll use yet or not. Just depends on how long it's up here. If it gets too thick. Chopped up onion and green pepper. Got the crackers for him. He's gonna stop and get me some Cheez-Its. I like Cheez-Its with my chili. So that's what's going in. I won't make you sit and watch me dump it all in the pot, but I'll show you in a minute. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm gonna put the lid on it and put it near the fire. I don't think I'm gonna put it directly over the fire just yet. Oh man, that's heavy. Forgot this one. Okay. Just gonna sit it kind of near the fire for now. I'll stir it every once in a while. Bring the spoon over here. That'd be good. Probably better put some more wood on. I did go ahead and put that can of tomato sauce in it because it's pretty early. It's only like 2:30. We probably won't eat till about 6, so it's probably going to be on there for a while. I can't wait till it starts really cooling off and we get to do a lot of stuff up here. Well, if I can get some wood. Oh, for crying out loud. Alright, good enough for now. Okay, he should be off of work. He's going to make a couple stops and be home, and we'll start our weekend adventure. I'm going to show you this bug. It's hiding from me a little bit now. Whoa. I've never seen a bug like that. Honey Bunny's home. Say hi, Honey Bunny.
That's a big mushroom. Don't know what kind. But it's a big one.
Show you something. Look at that. Growing in that window. That's crazy. That's just crazy. I guess something got down in there and it was just dirty enough to grow. Or just wet enough. Chili's looking good. Bubbling. Starting to cool off finally. He's working on the gutters.
Downspout.
Downspouts, sorry. Sorry. He got these from work too. They were dented so they couldn't use them. This is what he's doing, just to help keep some water away from the cabin. They're not permanently attached yet, but he's just fitting them, I guess, right now. One here. Cool. Well, while he's working, I'm gonna throw some popcorn in the fire, see what happens. I'll let him do all the work. Worked a lot today too, getting everything up here. Alright, I'm just gonna set it in here. I think I'll set it. I'm not really sure where to set it. Just set it. Whoopsie. The bag might just catch on fire. Later, when we get a fire going in the bigger fire pit, I want to just throw a whole bunch of them in there and see what happens. Alright, I'll turn it on again in a minute if anything starts to happen. You got a lot of mosquito bites on your head. They like you.
I'm trying to get drunk.
Well, I guess there ain't as many as I thought. Well, there's a few, but not as many as I thought.
Too many.
Too many.
They're all over me.
Yep, you're going to be itching later.
Blood sucking son of a gun.
Well, I wasn't hot enough on that log, so I pushed it down in there, and now it is just catching on fire.
It's going to burn it.
Yeah, it'll probably just burn up. We'll try again later. Well, you'd think they'd still pop a little bit. Wouldn't you think?
Not when it's on fire.
I would have thought they'd still pop. Not even one little pop. Huh. I can hear it sizzling now. Like the oil is sizzling. Oh, it is popping. There's some of them popping in there. There's a couple of them. I think one or two popped.
There's no.
Oh. Oh, there it goes. That one popped out.
That's your dinner. Not mine.
I think later... Oh, that one popped out too. I think later I'll slit like the top of the bag and just kind of lay it over the coals a little bit and watch them pop out of the bag. That might be cool.
You need a good fire and then put them just off the side where it gets hot. It's going to take a while.
Yeah. Alright, enough of that. Got the Christmas lights going. I probably won't leave them on long. They really drain this thing. I can't ever remember what that thing is called. Power bank. So he's still working. Got a fire going. Excuse me. Starting to cool off now, really. Now that the sun's going down, starting to go down. We got a fire going here. And the chili's looking amazing. I'll be so glad to eat because I'm starving. Starting to get thicker. Ooh, I can't wait to chow down on this. Alright. It's been cooking for a long time now. Alright, see you in a little while. Or they're gonna stay.
Fall and boil up.
Yeah.
Put screws in them.
Alright, so we got these done. He just needs to get some straps, make some straps. So, and he told me to watch out for him and don't trip on him, but I think he's the one that needs to be worrying about that.
No, I know you are.
Alright.
So another 6-pack, and I might forget.
Yeah, yeah. Once we get the deck built here, it'll be... You know, I'm thinking we could even make the deck even further out than just the porch. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It don't have to be just the size of the roof, you know. That way if we want to sit up on the porch...
Yeah, but you want to split it so the water doesn't run back that way. Like make the porch, and then like a step down, make like a deck.
Oh, yeah. I got you. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I like that idea. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that'd be cool. Alright. Well, I guess we're just gonna... So you're done for the night?
Yeah.
Working? Well, I opened up my margarita. I'm gonna have a little bit of margarita, not a whole lot. I got more in there. I might have more than a little bit. Who knows? Okay. What'd you do?
I don't know, they're coming after me.
That's loud. It's probably a fire somewhere. They usually do that when they're calling the volunteer fire department. Okay, we're going to start tossing popcorn bags in just to see what happens. I cut little slits in each one. Ready? Oh, that one went. That one went in the brick. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, you overshot it.
Look at you. Throwing 2 fucking arms.
I wonder, I'm anxious to see what that one inside the brick does. That one.
16 hours later.
Well, that brick's probably really hot.
You know how hot a microwave gets?
Well, that's true. That's true. Oh, that one's like opening up. Oh, I think it just caught on fire too. Let me stand up and go look. Yeah, they're probably all just gonna burn up.
Yeah.
You were right. He told me they would all just burn up. I should know to listen to him. He's always right.
No, I'm not.
You're not always right?
No.
He likes to think that he's always right.
I thought I was wrong once, but then I realized I wasn't.
Ah, that's pretty funny. Goofball. Yeah, they just all burn up. Darn it. Alright. Here in a little while, when it gets a little darker, we'll put these things in the fire. Fun fire.
Really looks good.
Does it? Oh, I'm ready to eat. Ooh, yeah, that looks real good. That's been cooking since about 1 o'clock. Yep, that looks really good. Nice. He went down to take a shower, and then when he gets back up here, we're gonna eat. These little lanterns are working. I thought they quit working, but we got some new batteries for them. New rechargeable batteries. They're, you know, little solar things. Got some new rechargeable batteries for them, so they're working again. Thank goodness. I was so sad about that. This fire's about out when we were cooking the chili on, so when he gets back, we'll eat and see what happens from there. Got the little Coleman lantern lit up over here close to the wood pile. Okay. I don't know if I can wait for him to do this. Okay, they're going in. Let's see what they do. Hope it shows up on camera. Oh, I'm starting to see some colors. Oh, I bet you guys ain't gonna be able to see it. Well, maybe. You can't see that. See that? I think right there. Blue. Ooh, pretty.
Blue and green.
Yeah. The other ones, I don't know where it went. Ooh, pretty. It looks a lot better in real life than on this camera. Pretty. Alright, we're gonna eat. Look, he's even got his headlamp on to eat his chili. That way you can see the beauty, huh?
That's right.
Yeah.
I don't want to wear it. I want to eat it.
Yeah. I'll probably have it all over myself.
Probably.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but those things are actually pretty cool. I didn't think they'd last very long, but pretty neat. Alright, we're gonna eat. Good morning. I never said good night. I was so exhausted. I just totally forgot about filming after we ate. Oh my goodness. I was done. So we're sitting here. It's a little chilly this morning. It's nice. What did it get down to?
60.
60. Got down to 60 last night. So we slept good. That new mat was the first time we slept on that cushion. So that was really comfortable. breakfast is Nutter Butters. I had Chips Ahoy. Oh, here comes the chicken. Oh, this ain't... It's blurry. I don't know why it's blurry. Oh well. Alright. Anyway, we're just sitting here enjoying the morning. I should have brought up a little packet of hot chocolate. I'd have made some hot chocolate, but I didn't think about that yesterday. Alright. See you in a minute. This dang toilet, this camping toilet, it's the most ridiculous thing in the world. It's so hard to figure out how to close it back up. We fought with this thing last time for probably 15 minutes, and we're doing it again. It should be so simple. Alright, maybe we'll figure it out, maybe we won't. I did it. It took a while, but I did it. I'm going to take a picture of this so we'll know next time. Well, I think we're done. Got everything cleaned up. Got some mothballs out on the table and on the floor over there. Hopefully keep mice out, because I don't want any mice in here. And yeah, I think we're done. Put these chairs back in here, or are we taking them down? Okay. Our fire from last night's still going. We slept really late today. You won't even believe it if I tell you what time we slept till. 11:30. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. I was stunned. But anyway. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, wait. I didn't show you our tree. I don't think I showed you the tree. Gotta show you the tree in every video. Look, if you hold this up, it is as tall as me now. It is as tall as me now. Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. I gave it Miracle Grow yesterday. Trimmed the grass from all around it. Use the grass as mulch, you know, to hold moisture in. So hopefully this cool weather will keep up for a while. Alright. See you later. Thanks. Bye. Say bye.
See ya.
See ya.